and welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya, and on this channel I like to share natural DIYs, soap making, essential oil education, basically all things low toxin natural living. So for today's project, we're going to be making solid conditioner bars. Last week we did the shampoo bars, so this week we're going to do the conditioner bars. Just a little update on the shampoo bars. They lather really well when you're shampooing. It's had tons of bubbles, easy to work into your hair, and it left my hair feeling really nice afterwards. So I highly recommend the Stephenson's Send-A-Pour base. It was great and very easy to use. This is another Stephenson's base. This is a solid conditioner. Now you don't usually see a lot of conditioner bars available. For a little while, Lush kind of had the market cornered on those, but you are starting to see a few more conditioner bars come out. So that's really nice. Same as with the shampoo bar, it's nice to cut down on waste, not only in product, but in the single-use plastics, plus they're really easy to travel with. So I have high hopes for this base, just based on how the shampoo bars turned out. So I have 8 ounces of the conditioner base here in my container. I'm going to heat it up in 30-second intervals to get it completely melted, and then we'll come back and add in our essential oils and color. Alright, so I have the base all melted down. Just going to stir it a little bit, make sure there's no lumps left. And as you can see, just like with the shampoo bar, this is starting out clear, but as it cools, it will turn more opaque. So it will hold color pretty well too. Alright, and then as far as the colorant, we're going to use Cheshire Cat from Nurture Soap. And it doesn't take a lot of colorant for these bases. Not like a melt and pour where, traditional melt and pour where you may need to put in a decent amount. These actually don't seem to want to take that much color, which you're using it on your hair, so that's kind of understandable. So we're just going to do 2 little scoops of that, and then give it a stir here. See how it's looking. I love this color from Nurture. It's a really pretty purple, vibrant, holds really well in melt and pour soap, so I'm assuming it will do, and cold process both, so assuming it will do the same in these conditioner bars. Now we're going to get our essential oils added in, and we're going to do lavender and sage. The lavender is really soothing, so very relaxing just in general, plus it's soothing for your scalp. The sage helps with scalp health and hair health. Now the sage is a very strong essential oil as far as its odor, and just in general it's a very powerful essential oil. So we're going to do 15 drops of the sage, and we're going to do 45 drops of the lavender. So I'm just going to get those added in. I love the smell of lavender. There's really nothing better, in my opinion, than the smell of lavender. There we go, got that in. Now we're going to do our 15 drops of sage. Sage is, of course, a very herby smelling essential oil. That's another of the reasons we're just doing the 15 drops of that. We don't want it to overpower the conditioner bar. There we go. Now we're going to give everything a good stir again, and lavender and sage complement each other really well. So they're a good combination for this conditioner bar. Alright, so I have everything stirred together. Now we're going to go ahead and get it poured into our molds. I wanted to try something that had an impression in it this time, just to see how the bars did with that instead of just a flat bottom. So I'm using these super cute molds. I think this will also be a good size for travel. I'm not sure that it really matters if I have these all facing the same direction, but it makes me feel better. All right, get these poured in. Love the purple, so pretty. Let's see, I think we'll get 4 out of this, but we'll see. We may actually have enough for another one. All right, so I'm gonna grab another mold to fill up, and then we'll let these set up for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then we'll come back and unmold. All right, so we are back to unmold our conditioner bars. Let me bring you in a little closer so you can see better. So there is a nice soft purple, which I think works really well. And you can see it turn more opaque now that it's hardened. I really like how the impression turned out as well. Super cute. The lavender and sage work really well together. They're nice and strong. So I have high hopes for how these bars will actually feel. Hoping they are as nice as the shampoo bars are. But I'll definitely leave an update and let you know how I like them. And then here's the other mold I did. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Take care, and until next time, bye!